Welcome to Sociology Vibes, where we simplify challenging ideas into easy to understand insights. Today, our focus is on the explanation of the positivism type of sociological research. Positivist or positivism approach is one of three perspectives sociologists use to guide their research on social life. The other two are interpretivism and critical sociology. Each of these three research approaches influences the selection of different questions, methods, analysis, and conclusions. All three approaches contribute to our body of knowledge of social life, and they shape how we think, ask questions, and find solutions in social research. Early sociologists believed that social life could be studied scientifically, using systematic observation and empirical evidence, just like the scientific method was being used in the physical sciences. This approach is referred to as positivism. A functionalist theoretical perspective in sociology is often aligned with positivism. Examples of positivism research include surveys and questionnaires that collect predetermined responses from many people. These include large collections of numerical data called data sets, official statistics such as U.S. Census data, crime reports, and education records. Another example is the experiment method, which tests cause and effect relationships under laboratory-controlled conditions and settings. Positivist research can also include interviews, when all participants are asked the same close-ended questions that have fixed or predetermined answers to choose from. The sociologists using the positivist approach might collect survey data by asking predetermined close-ended questions that measure how many workers report feeling stressed, or analyze whether factors like hours worked or income are related to stress levels. This sociologist is looking for cause and effect, associations, patterns, and predictions using quantitative analysis by focusing on numbers or statistical tools. Survey questions such as, how often are you stressed in a typical week? Or how many sick days a year do you take due to stress at work? Reveal numerical or quantifiable patterns. Here's another example. Positivist sociologists will want to know how many hours people spend online to see if there's a connection between loneliness and social media use. To conclude, a positivism sociologist uses objective methods to identify patterns. Understanding the positivist approach to research helps us evaluate research findings and statistics we encounter in our everyday lives. We are empowered to ask informed questions and view social issues objectively. And this makes sociology fascinating, don't you think? Thank you for watching. Be sure to comment below with your thoughts, questions, or any topics you'd like us to explore next. Let's keep the conversation going and our community growing. See you in the next Sociology Vibes video.